worked on the Transcafine tour. I know, honey, I'm really hungry actually. And I thought, well, actually, what is this all about? And what I realised is that the part of my career that I was enjoying the most wasn't really the big celebrity contracts, even though they looked amazing on my TV. But the bit that I really enjoyed was this. Whenever I got to stand in front of people talking about personal branding. And so you fast forward another 10 years. Everybody over 40, just raise your hand. 40 and fabulous. When you think about a brand, a personal brand, what do you think of? What is the brand? The person, love that.
Public identity.
Public identity, good.
Reputation.
Reputation.
Association.
Associations, good.
Perception.
Perception.
Look and feel.
Look and feel.
Values.
Values.
The emotion.
The emotion. Pause. What's your name, gorgeous?
Neha.
Neha. Okay, good. So everything that everybody else has said or thought, which they want to put your hand up, is right and wrong. 9 times out of 10, most people, they talk about things like values and perception and association. Those things are right, but they're also very wrong. Those things are the tools that we marketeers use to build a brand. But a brand is an emotional connection with your desired audience. So if you're taking notes, this is probably the most important part to remember. A brand is an emotional connection with your desired audience. So if you think about the brands that you love, how many of you, and don't leave me hanging here because we're a room full of women, have ever walked into a shop, you knew you didn't need those pair of shoes, but somehow you walked out with a pair of shoes? Am I the only one? Okay, couple of us.